Hi, my name is Brittany, and this video is a tutorial on how to wrap your hands for boxing. The method in this video is the method I learned at my first gym, Top and Top Boxing in Gyeongju, South Korea. For this tutorial, you're going to need wraps that are 180 inches long. Let's get wrapping. When your wraps arrive, they're going to come looking like this. There's going to be elastic on the outside, and on the inside is a thumb loop. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to unroll it and re-roll it so that the thumb loop is now on the outside. This will make it a lot easier to wrap your hands. To start with, you're going to put your thumb in the thumb loop and bring the wrap across the back of your hand. You're going to want to make sure that the wrong side of the fabric is facing down. All right, now you're going to take it and you're going to wrap your wrist 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you're going to make sure that that is snug, but not too tight. All right, then you're going to bring the wrap up and between your middle and your ring finger. All right, then bring it across your palm to between your pointer and your thumb. From here, we're going to wrap our knuckles. You're going to want to make sure that the wrap is slightly above the line where your knuckles are, so that when you make a fist, they're covered. So you're going to bring the wrap around 5 times again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make sure when you're doing this step that you are spreading your fingers. If your fingers are like this and you wrap, you're going to make it very uncomfortable. It's going to hurt your hand. All right, so make sure they're spread. Now you're going to take the wrap and you're going to come down and you're going to go around the wrist 1 time. All right, and then bring it up, go between your middle and your pointer. Then come around again between your pointer and your thumb and go down and around your wrist again, 1 full time. All right, and then you're gonna go up between your pinky and your ring, and again across the palm to the thumb and pointer finger side. Come back down. Now from here, if you've got extra wrap, you can go 1 time or more around your knuckles to give it that extra padding, or you can go directly down and just finish wrapping around your wrist. It'll just give your wrist more support, and it's okay to have excess wrap there. So when you're done, it should look like this. You've got a nice palm space here that'll make it more comfortable for your glove. And you've got a bar to hold on to when you're making a fist. All right.